Amazon keeps flagging your listings as inactive. Here's how to fix it. So first, you're going to log into your Amazon Seller Central account and simply go into inventory, manage all inventory, and you're going to find that item that has the error. You can see right here, it says inactive, review blocked reason, and you can click on it and click review blocked reason. That's the first thing you're going to do. And then you can see what's wrong with it, right? It says there's a trademark on the detail page. So you click fix listing. Once you click fix listing, it should take you to a page to fix it. But in this case, it's saying it's taking you to this page where there's nowhere to fix it. So the first thing that you want to do is just go back and try to fix it yourself. So if it says trademark on product detail page, what you're going to do is try to at least edit the listing. So go into your inventory, edit the listing, and see if you can at least remove it yourself. So update your listing, try to remove it. That's going to be the first thing. And I'm sure you've already tried that, but just make sure you attempt to edit your listing first yourself. If you edit it and after an hour, it's still not active, right? Which it most likely won't be. The next thing that you need to do is get prepared to call Amazon. So of course you can call Amazon, right? And if you do call Amazon, the team that you're going to talk to is going to be the catalog team, right? But before you call them, I recommend doing an inventory file update. So this is going to be the fastest way to fix it before you start calling Amazon and getting all pissed, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to go into inventory reports. So go into Amazon Seller Central, reports, and then inventory reports right here. You're going to go here. You're going to click on category listings report. If you don't see this report, then you'll need to contact Amazon and say, take a screenshot of this and say, hey, please enable category listings report on my account. They'll enable it. This is going to allow you to download all of your listings into a very detailed spreadsheet. Okay. Once you download this, you're just going to run it. And you can see we already ran it right here and we downloaded it. And what it's going to look like, it's going to look something like this. So it's going to show you your listing, the title, the SKU, partial update, accessory type, item name, ASIN, all of this data. And you can see it's missing a lot of data. So the ones in the red, it's missing. There's a lot of data that's missing on here. So we need to add it in. And then that's going to be our opportunity to remove that trademark or fix the issue. Make sure when you're editing this file, you do create or replace full update. You want to delete all of the listings on this spreadsheet except for the one that you're editing. And the one that you're editing, you're just going to copy it all, right? Just like this, and then just like move it up all the way up to the top, right? So you move it up all the way to the top. So this is the only listing on the spreadsheet. And again, just add everything in that's missing. It's missing the brand name for some reason. So put the brand name in. It's missing the item type keyword. It's missing the package level. So fill this all in to the best of your ability. Fix the listing. Doesn't have to be perfect. Save it. Once you save this file, it should only have this one listing that you're fixing. And then you're going to upload it into Amazon. So if we go back and we're going to upload this to Amazon, simply what you're going to do is go to the top left corner and go into catalog, add products via upload. So click on that. Once you're here, it's going to look like that. And then you're going to upload that spreadsheet right here. Once you upload that spreadsheet, what's going to happen is they're going to be giving you an item, a batch ID, and it's going to look something like this to show that you did an upload. Okay. So now you have everything. I know this is a lot of steps, but this is the easiest way to fix the problem. Now you're going to copy. It doesn't have to say done. Action required is fine as long as you upload it. Get the batch ID number, right? Take a screenshot of the error. So take a screenshot that shows that it says inactive. That's number 2. Number 3, that spreadsheet that you edited, the raw spreadsheet that I just showed you, make sure you have that as well. So you got the batch ID, raw spreadsheet, and a screenshot that shows that the listing's inactive. Next, you're going to contact Amazon. Start an email first. So contact Amazon all the way in the top left corner. There's going to be a contact button right here. Help and get resources. Contact Amazon directly. Once you contact Amazon, then you're going to open it up via email, attach all those files and say, hi, I have all the information. Please transfer me to the catalog team. This is a catalog issue. Please assist. Once you get on the phone, you're going to say, hey, look at the email I sent. It's going to have the email of all the attachments. And then you're going to speak to somebody from the catalog team and you're going to ask them to fix it on the spot. Since they have the batch ID, since they have the screenshot of the error, since they have the raw actual file that you use to edit and upload the batch ID, they should be able to fix it on the spot if they're not feeling lazy that day. If they're feeling lazy, you might have to ask for somebody else, but that's going to be kind of the step by step to fix this as quickly as possible. If you just open up a case with Amazon, they're usually not going to listen. They're going to get really, really confused. So follow all those steps, get in front of the catalog team, and double down. By the way, if you are stuck on Amazon and you need extra help, feel free to contact us. You can just go to the link below and contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. Just fill in this data right here. We're going to do a full listing audit for you and look at all of your top competitors, show you how much money they're making per month, review your first image, your second image, and your competitors so you can see, why are my competitors making more money than you? And we're going to be honest with you, and that's what you need to succeed on Amazon. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This means we'll manage your inventory, customer service, ads, support, and growing your sales. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.